Hello, Live fans. This is Chaz here from Live Watches. And one of the biggest questions we always get is, what will I receive when I order a Live watch? All right, so let's open up this box. Securely packaged. We want to make sure that your watch will arrive in a safe manner. And voila, let me pull this out. Ooh, nice. Now, let's open this baby up. All right, boom. Look what we have here. First thing you're gonna see when you pull up the top of your box is going to be your paperwork. All right, the moment. You know what? I've opened these boxes 1,000 times. I'm still excited to open this box right now. Whoa, 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 what do we have here? Well, this is the GX Divers 44 Signature Orange, one of our best-selling watches. This has been a staple in our Diver series for the past 4 years. And so here it is. What a beautiful packaging. Here's exactly what you're gonna get when you order a Live watch. Thank you again for watching. This is an unboxing by Chaz. And if you haven't purchased a Live watch, please visit us at livewatches.com. We have a 90-day money-back guaranteed. So go ahead and order one of these watches. You will not be disappointed. Thank you so much.